Okay, so today we gonna be doing some cleaning in the kitchen because it needs some reorganization and some pretty good cleaning. So that's pretty much what I'll be showing you all today. And thank you for clicking on the video and taking time out to see what I was up to. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe because there's so much more that we have in store for you all. So for now, just stay tuned and watch me clean and reorganize.
She's putting all of her cards down on the table, knowing there's no way that you'll be able to win this one. But she's somebody else in the making. First, she just gotta stop all the faking, and she'll be there. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like she's forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves.
Close these back. I'm using the Cascade Rinse Aid in here. And
our cards down on the table, knowing there's no way that you'll be able to win this wrong. But she's somebody else in the making. First, she just gotta stop all the faking, and she'll be there.
I just had to come on here right quick, y'all, because I know a lot of y'all was probably wondering, like, what is that on her shoulder? Because I know a lot of y'all nosy. But it's like it has heat that come from these little things right here. Like if you have shoulder pain one day, neck pain, back pain. I don't deal with back pain, but sometimes like my shoulders and my neck will ache. So I actually watched a lady on YouTube. Her and her husband have a channel together. I think it's called Peggy and Dunn, and she wears these, and she said that they work so good, so that's what made me want to try, and it really does. It's something similar. I'll just show y'all these right here. It's something, it comes in a box just like this, except this one is for menstrual pain therapy. So it's just, this one is for menstrual, but these come in the box just like this, same name and everything. It's just, you know, for your shoulder, neck, and back instead of for your menstruals. And for, because I know a lot of, it's a higher percentage of women who watch our channel more than men. So if any of you ladies have like cramping and different stuff like that during your cycles, this will really help too. You don't put it on your skin. You just put it like, put the sticky part of it inside of the inside your panty part. So the sticky part goes on your panties, and the non-sticky part goes on your lower stomach. But yeah, they're really good. But anywho, they have like, y'all can probably hear it, sticky ends. And so all you do, I had mine placed right here because this is where I was kind of aching a little bit. And all you do is press down, and you can wear it up to 8 hours. And after 8 hours, you take it off, and it still constantly works. So if you have women or men, and I don't know why I'm acting like I'm sponsored by them, but women or men, if you have like back pain from working all day, shoulder pain, neck pain, whatever type of pain, lower back pain, try it. It's called Thermacare, and it's really good. So yeah, that's what I just wanted to let y'all know what I had on. I knew I was gonna be moving around a lot and using my arms and stuff a lot, so I just put it on because I did not want you know, my shoulders or neck to hurt worse. But that's it. So just continue the video, and I hope that y'all like. And once again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I talk so fast, y'all. I can't help it. I don't know why. It's just, I guess it's just me, but I talk really fast. But all right, y'all. Okay, so this cabinet isn't that bad. It isn't like crumbs and stuff like the other cabinets. So I don't think I'm gonna really have to mess with this one. And I'm gonna take these out today, these four, to make me some tuna. But yeah, like this cabinet isn't that bad, but I see that there are 2 big cans of the cut green beans, and I have 2 on the other side because I try to keep stock of the canned goods and stuff, so I can put 2 more on this side since there is room. So let me, as y'all can see, it's all the way up there, so try to get up here to get this other one. Okay, so I got the second can. So now it's 4 cans up here. And this is just all the Campbell's corn, chicken noodle soup, some beans, the yams, and I just threw this up here. But like my tomato sauce and stuff is up here. So I think that this is pretty good. I don't have to do anything to that one. So with this one, I kind of do have to do a little organizing because it's rice over here mixed with the chili, bacon bits, and it's a ton of like boxes, the hamburger helper boxes. But up there. So I'm gonna reorganize this a little bit and I'll be right back.
Are you the same? Yeah. Are you the same? I'm an old school man. I only wanna fall in love once with an old school girl. Old school girl, old school girl. When I know, I'll know. Hand in hand like left, right, oh. Bonnie and Clyde. You can have whatever you like when it's you and I. We can have the world. See us coming like left, right, oh. Are you the same? Are you the same? Are you the same? Are you the same? Can we get comfortable? I don't really like going out. It makes me uncomfortable. Comfortable, yeah. We could be chilling on the sofa or cooking in the kitchen like left, right, oh. Are you the same? Are you the same? Are you the same? Are you the same? When you're touching my body, go. When you're touching my body, go. I want it.
So I just wanted y'all to see this right here. I just pulled it out of this cabinet, which I did reorganize. But I am so upset, but I'm glad that I did check the dates. All of this stuff we have let expire. This brand new box, and these are really good. It's expired. It expired in May. Full box of oatmeal, expired in May. Never been opened box of cocoa mix. It expired in April. Another unopened box of cocoa mix. It expired in June. Popcorn seasoning expired in June. Cracker Barrel pancakes still full. When did this expire? Okay, in January. And I'm not too fond on these, and it's not a lot in here, but it expired in May. But I'm just still upset because I hate for food and stuff to go to waste. So I'm gonna have to really pay attention to that with stuff like this, so I can make sure that we eat it and it won't have to be thrown in the trash. But I just wanted to show you all that, and I think I got 1, 2, 3 more cabinets to do, so I'm gonna go ahead and get back started on that.
I'm fading away, and I wonder why no one ever stays. How am I supposed to spend my days?
so I'm finished with this cabinet, and I just put like my little spices and sage, rosemary leaves, stuff like that. Some seasonings down here, up here, my Jiffy cornbread boxes, my cake stuff, flour, sugar. I just threw like this type of stuff back there. These are for like when I do cupcakes, cakes, different stuff like that, little decorating things, color dye, extracts. And the only thing I found in this cabinet that was out of date was this, which is still full, hot sauce. And okay, no, these ain't expired. I want to throw them away. So out of this cabinet, it was just these two right here, which isn't too bad. So I'm finna tackle the last one and I will be back. Okay, so with this cabinet, I don't think I'm gonna mess with it either. It's just like vitamins, different medicine, plastic cups and glasses and stuff. So this is pretty, this is okay, so it's pretty good. I'm gonna leave that one alone and skip to the next one. Okay, so I just want to come and show you all this last cabinet. I know it's pretty close up in y'all face, but it's really nothing in here but those cups, some green beans with potatoes, some different rices. Hold on, let me, yeah, like different rices like this, and some, let me take this out, some emergency type meals. My mom actually gave these to us, and it's different kinds. This one is white chicken patty and barbecue sauce. So these are pretty much emergency meals. So I'm gonna let those stay in here. Which one is this one? This one is beef stew, chicken pasta parmesan, and tomato sauce, cheese sauce. Y'all, I'm right here, and this is in y'all face because I'm sitting on top of the counter, and I'm trying not to fall because that would not be good. And this one is spaghetti and meatballs. So yeah, it's just emergency type meals with rice and stuff in this cabinet, so I don't have to bother that one.